A very special suggestion for the parents. They're very much worried about their children that they are not studying properly. It's all because you do not study. As a mother, what you can do is you take 1 hour or 2 hours free time, especially in the afternoon. You go to bed, take rest, and just read a book. It should be a comedy. When you take care of the book, when you read and smile and laugh, your children will be around. They will find out that there's something special in the book, and they may be around you. They may be asking you what you are studying. So don't worry, don't give attention to your children. You just pay heed to your reading. You just read and enjoy, read and smile, read and laugh. That's how you can motivate your children. They will themselves be more interested in studying. On the other hand, if you just tell your children to read and you watch television in the other room, what will happen? The children will not study. They will be demotivated. They will not understand that study is very important. So that's the best suggestion. Thanks for watching.